the spider. The spider on my lock. What's up, guys? RavenSky here. I just got done feeding the cows. And our hay roll finally getting down to the nubbins. And a little girl and a baby cow are over there eating by themselves. They did not like the fruit or care for it. So I'm going to go over here, and these big hay rolls that come in, we feed them once in a while. They've got this blue, oh, don't eat the blue mesh. They got this blue mesh on it. You don't want to eat that. You're standing on it. Come on, get up. Move. Move. Come on, move. I don't really like telling cows to move. You guys friggin' moved this whole thing, didn't you? Move, little girl. I can't get this off under your feet. Move. See, if you go pushing cows around, they'll think that you're playing with them. And then they start headbutting you and shit. I'm not really trying to do that right now. You guys' hay roll is not underneath the... underneath your, whatever this thing is called. They must have moved it around. Well, I can't really move that. I can't really get that green stuff. Anyways, the hay rolls are, they have this, they're wrapped with this green mesh stuff. And whenever the hay gets down too low, you got to go out and pick up the mesh. But I can't get her to move. Come on, baby. I don't want them to have a negative experience while eating. So we were told by the farmer next door that we should go out and pet the cows while they're eating, because it develops like a friendly bond with them or something. Because the cows, they lick each other, and they lick upwards on their fur. And if you do it while they're eating, it's kind of like a, you know, just like anything else. When you have a family and everyone's eating together, it develops kind of like a little bond or something. And of course, this is all new to me. I'm not Mr. Wisdom here, that's for damn sure. Nice, backing up. Good girl. Girl, what do you got on your face? What's on your face? What's on your face? What's on your face? You burping? Burping a little bit. Well, as soon as she backs up and stops eating this stuff, I'll come out here and get it. Finish getting it. Anyways, I don't want to bore you with that. Looks like we're going to need to get another roll though. Because I've eaten that down quite a bit. Let's go see Happy Cow. Happy Cow, you full yet? You full yet, Happy Cow? Huh, girl? Yeah? You guys have got it down there, don't you? You guys are getting full, and now you're not pushing everyone out of the way. That's that.